By the way, if you've seen strangers pray at night, you'll see the boy in the movie, the son. His family is in a mobile home park, in basically abandoned mobile home park. Not abandoned, but I guess they're gone for the season. And some creepy killers come up on him, and finally he gets a gun. After I think his mom and dad are dead now, killed, he gets a gun, and he gets a chance to shoot him, to shoot one of the killers. It's a handgun, and he's afraid to use it. I mean, I don't know if he's afraid or he's like just really cautious about life, but it's ridiculous. I mean, the killer is trying to kill him and his sister. And they've already killed his mom and dad. And he's afraid to use the gun. I think it's a commentary on liberalism. You know, young people who haven't been trained to use a gun. And earlier in the movie, the dad didn't come with a gun, but he found one in a desk. And so he pulls out this pistol, and the son goes, "You're going to use that?" And then later on, the dad is actually killed, and as he's dying, he hands the gun to his son. And the son says, "I don't know how to use it. How do I use this?" And the dad goes, "You pull this back and you pull the trigger." I think they did that intentionally, kind of a mockery on liberalism, because it shows what kind of pansies liberalism is raising. Afraid to use a gun, not even knowing how to use a gun, not even how to use it in self, not even trained or aware enough or courageous enough, or however you want to describe it, to use it in self-defense. Now, this is a movie, of course, fiction, but I think it has some bearing on reality. There's a lot of young people who probably don't have the wherewithal, not just how to use a gun, but when to use a gun if they know how, and the right to use a gun. There's more people who are thinking, I guess it's better for me to be a victim than to be alive. I don't think you should be dead for no reason, for some crazy person trying to kill people. I hope you don't think you should just accept that as fate either. You have the right to defend yourself. Christians too. Turn the other cheek in terms of revenge after the fact. If somebody does something to you and they're gone now, you don't go out looking for them yourself just to get revenge. You can allow justice to take the wheels of justice, the legal system, but don't seek revenge, is basically what turn the other cheek means. But so that doesn't have anything to do with self-defense. Don't allow them to kill you. Thou shalt not murder means don't allow people to murder. It means also don't allow people to murder. I mean, God commanded that because he was given a mandate for life. That life is important. And not only should we not murder, but we should try to prevent people from murdering. there's more layers to the Ten Commandments than just the literal one way of reading it, of understanding it. So keep that in mind.